Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening saan man sulok ng mundo. Actually, I'm lazy to go out, to vlog, so I'm here in my bed, So, I just want to thank all of you guys who always supporting my simple videos. And how is everybody? Kumusta kayo kaliligo eh? I would like to thank all of you guys who support my simple videos. This I used to do before, every time shout out. Thank you, Job Channel TV. Thank you. Sisi Koy Juliana Martin Vlog. Thank you, Sisi Koy. Sisi Koy Princess Freya. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy. Very supportive. Suels TV. Thank you, Lods. Masayahin Vlogger. Thank you so much. Masayahin Vlogger. Thank you. RGT Vlog. Thank you, Lord. RGT Vlog. Sisi Koy Josie Kaur. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy. Ading Jacket Unlimited Vlog. Thank you, Ading ko. Siyempre, ang very supportive na aking Sisi Koy, Miss Lauren Directo. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy. And 2 more videos, I think. Thank you. Thank you, Parikoy Homage Channel. Thank you. Terima kasih, Kadel Geboy, all the way from Indonesia. Apa kabar? Terima kasih, host. Teacher Jen, thank you so much. Sisi Koy Teacher Jen, thank you. Again, Sisi Koy Miss Lauren Directo, thank you so much. Sisi Koy Feli Style, thank you so much, Sisi Koy. Thank you, Sisi Master Rejob Ispa. Thank you, Sisi. Bagyo blessed day, ading ko. Salamat, maraming salamat, ading ko. Bagyo blessed day. Again, Juicy Core Sisi, thank you. Russell B Sisi, thank you so much, Russell B. Tol Joe Motovlog, thank you so much, Tol. Soils TV, thank you. Sisi Koy Donita Padan Vlog, Sisi Koy, thank you so much, Sisi Koy Donita Padan Vlog. Sisi Koy Feli Lifestyle, thank you so much. Sisi Koy Princess Freya, thank you. Kabsat Arturo Vlog, thank you so much. Arturo Blanco, thank you so much, Kabsat. Titingin pa ako sa mga nag-like sa mga short videos ko. Masayahin Vlogger again, thank you. And Joe Motovlog, thank you. Sustari Karan, thank you so much. Thank you. Grand Opa TV, thank you so much, Grand Opa. So, guys, thank you so much to all of you guys who always supporting my simple videos. Thank you so much. Shout out everyone and happy blessed Wednesday to all. And mega love shout out to my sister in Kuwait, Juliet and Vlog, and to my son in the Philippines, Richard, and Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Conce, Sisikoy Mayat's Key Channel, Sisikoy Beatrice Pen TV, and Holy Marie, thank you so much, Holy Marie, and to all of you guys, to all of you who always supporting me. Maraming salamat. Thank you. And God bless us all. Rose the Melod Vlog. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys.